Hey guys, it's Shalise again. I'm here with Colton. Today we're going to be showing you how easy it is to install this front windshield. This works on all Can-Am, Maverick, Sport, and Trail models, as well as Commanders years 2021 and newer. This windshield frame is made of aluminum. The glass is AS1 laminated safety glass with a DOT stamp and comes with all of the necessary hardware to be mounted. We offer this windshield in several different color combinations. You can check out our website to see the list of colors. This windshield frame has been powder coated in a textured black finish with desert tan vent sliders to match this specific machine. As I said before, this is a really simple install. Colton will be showing us how to do it.
So first you'll want to remove your roof. If you have this plastic OEM roof, these front bolts are a T30 up top and a 10mm on the bottom. These rear cage clamp bolts are also a T30 Torx. And then above the mirror, there's two T30 bolts as well. And then you can remove your roof. Next, you'll have to remove these two plastic covers over the cage bolts. This is a T25 Torx. Then with a flathead screwdriver, you have to push this tab in right next to the cage, pry it out. And you don't reuse these plastic covers. Repeat the same steps on the driver's side. Pop this tab off. Then you'll need to remove the nuts on these cage bolts. You can leave the bolts in to keep your cage from springing. Using a 5/32 Allen wrench and a 7/16, you need to remove these mounting brackets off of the windshield frame. Then you can slide your brackets onto your two cage bolts and just hand tighten the nuts back on. Same on the other side. Then you'll need to remove this upper hardware off the top of the windshield frame. Then you can lay your windshield on your machine. Then hand tighten the bolt back through the windshield frame and bracket. install your bolt and rubber spacer. The rubber spacer goes between the windshield frame and the cage. Then you put the washer and nut on the bottom. Just do these hand tight for now. At this point, everything should be hand tight. You want to start by tightening these cage bolts first. Then tighten the bolts that go through the windshield frame and the bracket. And then do up the top ones using the same tools. And then reinstall your roof and you're good to go.
If you guys have any other questions about this windshield, feel free to call us or send us an email. Or if you're ready to place an order or check out any of our other products, go to bentmetaloffroad.com. Thanks for watching and see you next time.